Ooh, that was bad. Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna go inside SOKO House by SOKO Glam. Let's go! Hi, I'm Preva. Welcome to SOKO House. SOKO House is a new skincare retail experience rooted in education from SOKO experts like me and in curation of the best K-beauty products on the market right now. So in K-beauty, there's this idea of a 10-step skincare routine. What that means is that there are 10 different types of products that you could be using in your routine based on your skin type and skin concern. You don't have to use them all, but it's all about curating and customizing your own personal routine. So the first two steps are cleansing steps. We call it the double cleanse. You start with an oil cleanse and then a water cleanse. What that's going to do is make sure that all of the oil-based impurities and the water-based impurities are getting cleaned off your face every day. So here we have step 3 and step 4. Step 3 would be exfoliating, which is something you'd be doing 2 to 3 times a week, ideally, and then toning. So something like this, the Aqua toner. So after rebalancing the pH level of your skin with your toner, you can then go in with your essence and your serums, which are going to be your more targeted forms of treatment with lots of active ingredients. Next step is an eye cream, which is going to be nice and hydrating for the skin. I also like this one because there's niacinamide, so it also helps with brightening. Your moisturizer step is going to be great because it's going to seal in all of those yummy serums that you just layered on your skin so that you can get the best benefits. Sheet masks are a great treat for your skin because they just give you a nice burst of hydration, as well as what other kind of star ingredient is in there. So I love the snail bee one because snail mucin is so good at nourishing the skin and helping to rejuvenate it. So this last step is super important in the mornings. It's your SPF. It's to protect you from the sun's UV rays and also premature signs of aging. I love the Thank You Farmer, our new one, because it's so lightweight and there's also no white cast, which is super important. Thanks so much for walking through SOKO House with me. We hope to see you in real life as well. We'll be having lots of events, so please stay tuned onto the SOKO Glam Instagram to find out more about the next one.